Good morning, guys. We have a climbing couch baby. Hey, climbing couch babies. Hey, climbing couch baby. Now that he can climb up from the floor to the couch, he's just insatiable. You know, that's not for you to play with. That's why it's in the child-free zone, that we probably need to move all the child-free zone stuff over here. Are you the child in the child-free zone? Here, let's go play in your room. Come on. Let's go play. Come on. Let's go play. Daddy's on a walk, and he's gonna come home from his run, and then we're gonna go to the farmer's market. You wanna go to the farmer's market? No, you just want to hold the camera. Hey. Hey, Ruben. Goodbye. I feel very lonely all by myself. Ruby Doobies. Hey, look, I found your house. Oh, here's your house. Hello. Oops, are you stuck? I love your room. Ah! It's your elephant. Do you want to read some books with Mommy? It's an elephant. Alright, I'm going to entertain my child with some books. Feeding Ruben some breakfast, a pomegranates and muffin, and Mommy's having a shake. Breakfast. Is it good? Do you like it? Daddy's in the shower. Is Daddy in the shower? Mommy's got to go get dressed too, because we're going to go to the farmer's market. You can't wear pajamas to the farmer's market. How are you? Are you putting the hat on? You're stepping on Steve. You want Mommy to put the hat on you? Whoops. Here. There we go.
Hey, what do you think about having a toaster oven?
As long as we can put it over there. There's no room for any more electronics over here. We have a blender. We have a blender over here. We have a popcorn maker. We have the grinder. And then we have this thing right
What do you
here.
use the grinder for?
I grind herbs in it and coffee if we ever make coffee. So we have the bread machine over here. I'm okay with the toaster oven. I just don't know where we would put it, you know?
Did you ever use it?
What do you use a toaster oven that you can't use the oven for?
Well, the main thing is that toaster ovens use a lot of electricity.
Oh. Our oven does use a lot of electricity. I'm okay with it.
Basically, you use a toaster oven whenever you're cooking something that's small enough that you don't need a big oven
It's the end of the world at the Markey house because Ruben cannot walk around and drag the bag. It's the end of the world. What are we doing? Is your ear hurt? It's okay, baby. Are you trying to put it on your back? Oh, like a backpack? You see mommy wear it like a backpack? Just got done prepping a bunch of green curry for lunches next week. I've got our lunch in the Instant Pot. It's orange chicken. I'm really excited about it. And Ruben is getting into all the stuff he's not allowed to get into. We just got back from Target and we got Ruben a little Link hamster and he loves it. When we were at Target, I gave this to him to play with and I wasn't watching him very well and he chewed the tag off. Huh? Are you okay? He fell. What, dear?
Never mind. Take it in.
Did you say something?
Will you take this in?
Yes, I will. We got some bins for Ruben's clothes. When did we get peaches? Peaches, apparently from the farmer's market that we forgot to bring in earlier. Some more bins. And we also got a toaster oven. A toaster oven. And Daddy's bringing in the toaster oven. I can't wait to sort all of his cute little clothes. Dinner! Dinner!
He's always left the room and eat when his visitors come in.
Testing. Sorting Ruben's clothes. All of his
No,
old
this is all
clothes.
garbage everywhere. There's garbage all over our house. And it's
I remember when Ruben used to wear this. What are you doing? He's so organized now. All of his old clothes are in there. This bag is his next set of clothing. And his closet looks all nice. Although I need to go through and pull out some things. This is his dirty diapers. Then we have 0 to 6 month clothes. And then we have 6 to 1 year clothes. And in here I have his 1 year clothes that don't fit him anymore. And in the bottom of here we have all of his old infant diapers. Feels so organized. It's so nice to be organized. I really need to organize this closet, which has all of his old stuff in it and a bunch of random stuff too. Needs to be organized.
Okay, so here we are getting ready for bed. And Ruben had a big number 2. How's it going, Ruben? Yeah? Are we getting it clean? You reading a book while you're on the toilet? Is that the Find the Shapes book?
Don't talk about mommy that way.
What do you mean?
Mommy is not a toilet.
Oh, you're just not on mommy.
He does everything.
Are you sticking your tongue out at Daddy? Are you doing... How's the Find the Shapes book working out for you? You finding all the shapes? Boop! Where's Ruben? Where's Ruben? Where is Ruben? Find the shapes. Hey, Ruben.
Dooby-doo. Dooby-doo. What are you doing, silly?
Talk about some light reading. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright,
How's
I'm gonna let
it-
you get him down and...
How's it feel to be clean? How's it feel to be clean again? Yeah, good job.
Alright guys, that was my Saturday. I'm gonna go off to bed. So I'll see you guys later. Say goodnight, Ruben. Poor Steve. What are you doing?